Have you guys ever wondered how much money do these scrappers make by turning these vehicles in? Well, in today's episode of Gas Diesel Garage, I'm going to be turning in the body of this Mercedes-Benz. And yes, it's a diesel. So stay tuned. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. What are you doing with this total piece of crap Mercedes E300? Well, just so happens this thing's got a diesel in it. Now this Mercedes, well, it's seen better days. It was hit from the left side here and pushed everything in, but we're not fixing any of that. Matter of fact, we're not even keeping any of this. What I want is this 3-liter Mercedes-Benz diesel engine. This engine is going into something awesome. I don't know what yet, but it's going in something. Yes, I'm gonna finish my Prelude one of these days. But I got this thing already dropped out. Gonna take this thing to the junkyard. I'm just gonna lift the whole body up and scrap it and get some money for it and see what I'm gonna drop this engine into rather. Now for all of you Mercedes purists, I apologize. I'm not going to rebuild this thing because in the state of Virginia, salvage vehicles, they are a pain in the ass to get registered. You have to jump through a bunch of hoops just to get a title for this thing. So I bought this thing salvage on a common, well-known salvage website. Got it pretty cheap. Okay, $500, but people did not know what was in this thing. This engine, this diesel engine right here, can put out some power. Just a few add-ons, like a big turbo. Yeah, be a tire slayer. That's what I'm thinking about. Maybe even take it and make a mid-engine vehicle. Who's seen a mid-engine diesel engine in a car? I don't think I've seen one. Mid-engine diesel engine with a 6-speed behind it. And I have the 6-speed because if you've been following this channel, I have a Mercedes-Benz C230 that I took the 6-speed transmission out of, and that's what I'm going to put up to this diesel. These diesels don't have manual transmissions. This one had an automatic, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's just go ahead, take this body on up to the junkyard.
Piece of cake.
Now, of course, when you're scrapping a vehicle, make sure you take one of the most important things, and that is the catalytic converter. Big money. But make sure you do it legally. All right. Now, take your alloy rims. I'm sorry, your aluminum rims, which I might use those for something, but it's still worth money. Don't turn that into the junkyard. But as you see right there, we're gonna take that pretty old little thing to the junkyard or recycle it and see how much we get. Now, how much you guys think that this is gonna cost by just scrapping the body? I'd say a couple $100, hopefully. We'll see.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Well, guys, I am back from the junkyard. And anybody have any guesses on how much I got for that car body? Now remember, just the car body, not the transmission or the engine or the subframe or the steering rack or the radiators, none of that stuff. How much do you think we got? Well, it's not as much as you think we would get, but we got a whole $150, as you can see. Now, we also, for the catalytic converter, we got about $200 for, because Mercedes-Benz catalytic converters are worth big money, so don't steal them. And then the rims. Like I said, we're going to keep the rims because I think I'm going to put them on the trailer. Let me look good. Rat rod trailer with Mercedes rims. Who knows? They will fit. But, like I said, I got rid of that body on that body of the Mercedes is because I have something very unique, and I said it earlier in the video. Right here, this OM606 Mercedes-Benz diesel engine with dual overhead cam puts out about 174 horsepower and 243 foot-pounds of torque. But slap a big turbo on that thing and have this thing screaming, it can push up to 600 horsepower on stock internals. And let's see it. Let's cut to the video. Being said that this engine can handle a good 600 horsepower, I want to do something very, very custom. I want to do a mid-engine, diesel mid-engine supercar, or maybe even a rat rod. But the engine's going to have to be behind me because that's what everybody's doing these days, and I really have not seen that done. But tune in next time with Gas Diesel Garage, because we're gonna tear down this 606 diesel engine, and I guess I'm just gonna have to see you then. Like, subscribe. If you found this video interesting, well, just give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, post notifications, and we'll just have to see you next time. Peace.